down. Which is cool. Get a bunch of video.
All the channel, every single channel.
Yeah, it's crazy that they're covering it so heavily with the news. I was like, wow. But like I said earlier, I'd rather have this than Paris Hilton.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a bigger hype than I've seen for a long time out of them. They didn't even really hype the iPod this much, I don't think.
No. I mean, I remember when the iPod came out, I didn't have any trouble getting it, and I remember showing it to people at work.
Yeah.
I wanted that.
Right.
I got it cheap, and I'm like, you understand what I'm
Same people are saying similar things about the iPhone, but I think it's going to be huge.
Yeah, because I was like, you could put your entire music library on this device. And they're like, well, it's so expensive. What else is it like? Just buy one.
Yeah.
And you're right, the same sort of things you make said about that.
Yeah.
They'll drop the price $100 on this.
Yeah.
Singular or AT&T might subsidize it. I did talk to Singular or the AT&T people. Talked to one of the reps. They said that they're planning on discounting this thing.
Huh.
Like 6 months.
Shit. That'd be awesome. Or they're playing trumpets out the Apple Store. Like, that's awesome. It's like, oh, what's the name of that song? It's like, the song they always play when somebody's running a marathon.
Oh, Cherry.
Yeah, that one. Cherry. Nice. Okay. Okay, spot that. iPhone. Obviously, you're not.
Last video taken on the old phone.
That's right. Before I take the chip out and smash it on the ground. In front of the Apple Store. Homage to Apple.
Homage to Apple.
Is that a Blackberry?
It's a Dash. It's a T-Mobile Dash. It's like the shoot, what's it called? Yeah, basically. It's not made by RIM though. Wow, the line got longer.
Yeah. Lots longer.
These are the people that showed up at 6 expecting to walk right in the store.
Yeah. That's true, huh? Yeah, you don't want to be the person at the end. There's a psychological component to all of this, right?
I didn't want to be at the front either.
That's true.
A lot of it.
Out of what?
Quite a bit longer.
Yeah, dude. I was at the end. I think actually.
Did you get here about 4:30?
Yeah. A little bit after. Around there somewhere.
Do you have the data plan now?
Yeah, I was actually surprised when I didn't curve that way. Because everybody else was here.
it broke one of the bags. Yeah. It was because the guy at parked in his chair. He said the shade is 40.
I see.
It's the afternoon, like around 12, 1 o'clock, where the shade was.
Yeah.
Hugging the wall.
Well, are they allowed to come in?
Countdown now.
Yeah. Well, they were running up and down screaming, getting everybody all jazzed, and then they counted down.
They stood right in there. Down last 10 seconds.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, I asked her why she was counting. She probably... Oh, cool. Well, they told us they're funny. And they said there's money for everybody. So. That's right. 37 to activate, and then 59 is where the plans start.
It's a little less, actually, than most things.
It's pretty comparable to the rest of them. Plus, you get unlimited data service, which a lot of the other plans through AT&T require more money. There's one website did a breakdown of all the different AT&T phones and the price over the 2 years. The iPhone's pretty comparable over the 2 years, so. That's brutal. You don't have a safety chain on that thing? You're crazy.
They don't care about me if I can kill some fun.
Let's put it in the map.
Right. Who needs a demo? Woo! Yeah, there we go. Ready. New York Times reviewed it. They said it does. That's right. Look at that giant. That's part of it. Cheering people as they walk in.